That's a keeper there.
That's definitely a keeper. Nice! Well done. High five.
Definitely get the measure.
Oh, yeah. As we roll out of the driveway, 4 a.m. Yeah.
That's the camera. That's your assistant.
That's the assistant, yeah, for real.
That is how you get
4 a.m. That's how I get light. Yes, sir, I had it.
Okay.
And we had the Aya team looking to jump up. And we'll show you guys what we're taking on it today. Front row seat. This is Fishing with the Captain. And this is one more for the Captain's log. Signing out. So what? Oh, one more much?
2 hours.
2 hours drive to the next end of the Keys here. No fueling up. And it's freezing cold. And the mosquitoes is huge. No repellents up. We had to rush it in there, buy repellent, and spray up our legs. And we're in shorts. Some huge mosquitoes. Sun's now coming up. That's the ramp. And the ramp is so small, it's almost the same size as the boat. My God. Time to get to the water. So we are here with our local MacGyver Ed, Captain Ed today. Sarai is on board. It's freezing cold. Brendan banding up his head. I am freezing. Rods are out, all beat up. And this boat is built for fishing. Gonna try to get some live bait. Fill up our well. And we're heading out. Woo. Just rigging up our sabikis.
Alright, you got one more to do. You ain't done
Yeah,
yet.
no problem. So yeah, they have me rigging up sabikis. So I'm giving me it's not like carny. No flip this camera. So apparently it's not like carny. Look at this sunrise. Look at this sunrise. They said anything small we can get with that sabiki, and we put it out there. It's crazy. You're gonna get bite with it. All rigged up with sabiki. And we're catching live baits. We have one marker out here. Captain Ed is circling around the marker as you see them on the screen. We go down, get them, we get the pilchards, herring, some blue runners. We're gonna use those for the big ones. Look at this!
It's close.
Look at this!
It's close. Yeah.
Trying to catch baits. I'm running getting lead snappers. Oh yeah. Bait coming in.
No, you got a holding in check. Yeah, that's fine. Need ventilation, that's all.
Alright, what I got here? As we reach his action, Titus with a nice lean snapper. Titus, let's see him there quickly. He's in the bucket. 2. Nice. Captain rigging up here. Brendan mass up. Soraya rested. Captain Soraya. You have something there, Brendan? Let me get you in it.
We're gonna have to move north, guys. We're getting out of the reef.
Getting out to the reef?
Yeah.
Alright, so one thing. Soraya going to love fishing here because as you drop, they're down here. He's a little too small.
Give you steel on.
Alright, you finally got nice keepers. Top one definitely good.
That's nice.
Captain headed one there. And look at these guys' buckets here. Brendan trying to get back that king. Guys, they're biting so fast. Oh my God. Let's see what I got here. What you have there?
Here it comes.
Nice. Look at that fighting face. Alright, Ed is on something. It's a mackerel?
Yeah.
Alright, so Ed is on a mackerel. Okay, you got cut off and all too? Guys, they are biting so fast. If you guys could experience this, it's crazy. Oh, Spanish mackerel splashing on the side. Sarai on too. Sarai, bring it to me. Big nice one, man. Whoa, look at this monster.
That's a lane snapper.
That's a lane snapper. That's some more summer late summer. Well done. Nice. Let's see Captain out of this Spanish mackerel.
Watch my catch, boy.
What you catching? Nice. Come in, come in.
You need a gaff, Ed? Yeah.
All right.
Where's the gaff?
Guys, it's Action Jackson.
Oh, somebody.
Who's that?
Grab that rod.
Oh, I didn't even know that was out. Alright, can you help me hold that there? Oh, yeah. Take him, Brendan. Oh. Nah, you got him. You got him. You're right, guys. Nice Spanish mackerel. A small king, eh? Well done, Brendan. Nice. Come, Brendan. Let me see if you shag in there, Brendan. Let me see. Nice king. No, that's a small king. Well done, Ed.
Hey, wow.
Nice. Now I'm going to help with it. I'm just getting action.
You're right down. Yeah.
Nice.
Long.
Nice grouper. He's a little too small. Swallow it down. Gotta get him back out.
The pliers right there.
Yeah, you've seen him. You go ahead. Nice. It's back out. Boom. Back at it again. Oh boy. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy on.
Keep him coming, baby. You go grab the net. There you go.
Tell me, he's coming up. See what he looks like. Got the big net out. Got the big net out. Hey, screaming reel there.
Oh, that other line took off.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Keeper.
Oh yeah. Definitely a keeper.
That's a keeper.
Well done, buddy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a picture.
Let's get it.
That's
Look at
called
this.
a grouper.
That's called a grouper, guys.
Yeah.
Nice. That's the live bait we were catching. Nice. What bait he took? Look at she now. Look at she. 2 keepers. Come on. Come on. That's it. Nice. As a jumper?
Yeah.
Take him off? Yeah, I take him off, man. That's our problem. Nice. Not by this captain, you know. Not by this captain at all. That's a bad gaff.
Yeah, no gaff in the bucket.
Everybody here?
Yep.
Good fight. What we have?
Oh, I don't think he's a keeper.
Oh,
I don't think he's a keeper though. How much inches?
No,
Too small.
too small.
And in Trinidad, you know what's going on with this? Thing for your back to mash up the front. Brendan? Camera up my release.
Release. Release.
Beautiful fish. Saraya on she first yellow tail. Nice. Tired? Yeah, work out? Mention that, guys. This is how fast you can bait your line. I can't even record fast enough, but I'll show you guys how the catch look at the end of the day. But I'm trying to give you one as we go along. Check out these guys. Yeah, that's a good spot. Good spot.
It doesn't even hit the bottom. on it.
What do you have there? Tell me, what you seeing?
I don't know. He's got something nice, I think.
Come Titus, talk to me.
I don't know what to get. But I know something's there. It's big and ugly.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Teenagers.
What's that?
Grouper.
That's a legal size, it's a legal size, Titus.
That one's small.
Raise it up there, Titus, raise it up for the camera there. Nice grouper, guys.
It's about 19.
About 19, it needs to be 19 inches above.
It's only about 16.
That one? Okay.
Guys, still keep coming. Headed to the next nice grouper here. Fast as we can drop. It's just fish.
Another yellow tail.
Oh yeah. That one might not make it. This is a small one. Yellowtail.
Alright, Brendan. Since you're doing nothing like it, let me check out this one. The monsters are wrong right now. Come on, Soraya. You got this one. Find this one. Find this one.
Go ahead now.
Yeah. Clearly. She come over this one first. Go on, yeah. Come on. Keep at it. Give it a...
Come on. Pump,
Yeah.
pump. No, that's not on your line.
Keep pumping. Keep pumping.
Reel, pump up, reel down.
Raise up to the sky. Go down.
Grouper,
Oh,
grouper.
grouper.
Take your time, take your time. This one's a keeper.
Go on. Bring it to Brendan. Bring it to Brendan. Bring it to Brendan. Nice. Nice. Whoa. Come Brendan. Let me see it.
Well, that's a keeper there.
That's definitely a keeper. Nice. Well done. High five.
Definitely get the measure.
Oh,
that
yeah.
one. Definitely get the
That
measure.
was good. That was good.
Yeah.
On one hook?
Two groupers. One shot.
One shot? Nah, it's two hook. It's two hook. Two groupers. Man, it's really, you know, the spot, boy. Look at this. Look at this, guys. If you all could be part of this action, eh? My God, it's so crazy. Best fishing for me ever. So that's it.
No boy.
No, boy.
I'm feeling it.
So Ed said, get Brendan. Put him up on YouTube, catching a buoy. What is it, guys? What is it? You have a big one too? Soraya has a big one. Okay, I'm coming. Let me get my line up and give them some assistance.
So release it, not like on TV.
Not on TV.
No, we're up there.
As fast as we could.
No, we're
100. We allowed today. 20 a
One
person.
line on this reel is 30 years old. I swear. It's a pen knife. Get this line here.
What an amazing fishing trip. Ed said, Navin, he's huge. For Ed to say he's huge, he's a monster. Look at the two of them, crisscrossing and pulling fish. Alright, that's it on Brendan.
Probably the net.
Ed Rod? Alright. Gonna come back at you, Ed. Let me get that rod up.
Okay, he's gonna come over there and look at that.
Okay, perfect. Alright, he's huge. Give me 1 second, Brendan. Yeah. Oh my God.
Fish following him up. Oh, they have you. Open your bill, Oh yeah, mama.
That's it, Ed. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Alright, yeah. They got you.
Yellowtail hanging on there somewhere.
Yeah. That's Soraya line. She have 2 fish on her line too.
Oh, that's her line.
Yeah, that's her line. What caught up with the big grouper. Woo! Beautiful. Look at the coloration of this. Whoa. That's a nice one. Beautiful. Big fella again. Big fella again. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Another mule.
Another monster. Well done. Get him in. Nice. Yeah. Big guy in. Guys, we're raking them in. Everybody's getting fun. So I'm taking a 5. I'm gonna pull in fish, drink some water.
Clip.
Got a grunt. Think I got a grunt. Think I got a grunt. Look at the size of this grunt.
Nice.
We had a double header.
Head.
Had, yeah. Oh, it's one on. Guys, such an amazing day. Such an amazing day. It was so hard to try to show you all what was going on. And at the same time, fish. Little sneaks and peeks. I hope you guys could capture what amazing time I had. And we're still trying to land some big ones here. Taking one more drift over this spot. Look at this amazing. Look at the sea. Look at the sea on the side. Not even choppy, rough, calm. Actually, what this is it a king? I don't know.
Gotta be.
Gotta be. Oh my God! Look at that king there.
Yes, a beauty.
A beauty.
Watch it.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Look at that king.
Move this right there.
Yeah. Get in that.
Good one.
That
Bastard,
is
come
the
here.
king. Oh my God.
Yeah. Don't worry, I got him. I got him.
Let me see the gaff master at work here. From Brendan.
Time this bastard.
Around a couple times.
Yeah. I got him, man.
Out.
I'm not rushing. I used to fish the SKF, you know.
Yeah. All right. Press that rod down. Oh boy. Nice king.
I don't want to touch your line. I know. Come on, baby, come. One more swing. Taking him anyhow.
Taking him anyhow. Raise up that king there, Brendan.
I ain't playing. Taking him anyhow.
Anyhow we play.
Look at that, guys.
All right, then.
Maybe we'll hang around a little while longer.
Well done, Cap. Well done. Let me move this hatchet for you.
Yeah, let me get the hook out. Hang on. Let me get the hook out.
Have it on ice. Ollie Lee and snapper on the other hatch. Wow, big monster. Take it back in one piece.
Feel like soulfish right now.
Yeah, I feel like a real soulfish. Cool. Look at that sunset. Time for us to put the boats on the trailer. And actually, let me show you guys what the catch look at the end of the day. So Captain Ed, I must thank you for such an amazing time.
No problem.
Right?
Welcome on my boat anytime.
Anytime. And Brendan for hooking me up, boy. You really sent me some adventure. You really sent me an adventure today. And what a guy. Guys, this man like a local MacGyver. Trust me. Sorry, I have real stories there. Titus, thank you so much. You guys ready to see this? I don't know if you're ready to see this, but I'm going to flip the camera just now. But look at this. Look at this. Yeah, guys, look at the camera. Look at this deck. Look at this deck. Crazy. Guys, that's our limit. That's our limit there. We had to stop. But we could even catch more. It was coming that
Unless
fast.
we wanted to get arrested.
Yes, for real. Look at that catch, guys. Boom. And that is one more for the captain's dog. Signing out.